Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by updating and opening the app because new settings roll out with updates. You must be signed in, otherwise preferences won't persist. Once done, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner to access account menus. Make sure your app shows the updated version number in settings. This first step ensures the interface matches the instructions that follow, and it prevents wasted effort toggling options that aren't present on older releases. From your profile, open Settings and choose General, then tap Playback to reach Content Controls. This is where Shorts-related toggles live. Look for labels like Short Videos, Shorts Feed, or Shorts and turn them off. Different app versions name it differently. If there's an Autoplay Shorts option, disable it too, because that stops the algorithm from serving more. You change visibility so the app prioritizes regular uploads. Make small adjustments and observe the home feed. Finish by training YouTube. Long press short videos and choose Not Interested or Don't Recommend Channel. This teaches the algorithm to show fewer shorts over time. If toggles revert or aren't available, clear the app cache, force close YouTube, or reinstall it to refresh features. Make sure you're editing the correct Google account. Sign out and back in if needed. One troubleshooting tip. If shorts persist after these steps, try the browser version's settings as a temporary workaround while YouTube updates your mobile preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.